Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report, starting with the front right wheel. Looks really good. I don't see any curb rash. There's a lot of tread here on the tires. Looking through this fender, I don't see any scuffs, scratches, dents, or dings. Side mirror looks good. That door's really clean. Nothing standing out to me as far as imperfections go so far. That bedside looks good. That wheel's nice and clean. Got these steps, they look good. All this plastic is clean. You got the window tint on there. Then checking out the front end, starting with the bumper here. You do have some scuffs there. I don't feel them with my nail or anything. I think it's just on the surface. 2 rock chips here. A couple small ones every once in a while. You're gonna see little rock chips just peppered every once in a while here, lower side and upper. A couple larger ones. Looking at the hood, this edge. I don't see any rock chips there. And I don't see any damage, just those rock chips. And here on the lower side, there's a larger one right there. Looking at the bedside here, I don't see any flaws. That wheel looks awesome. You got the folding bed cover here. I see a really small scuff there. Looks like it grazed the paint just a little bit. The rest of that door looks nice. We do have a dent right there. And it looks like a really small scuff. Probably an easy fix there. The rest of the door looks good. That fender looks amazing. That wheel's nice and clean. So really just that little dent there. And everything else looks perfect. It's gonna be hard to see in here, but this bed liner looks brand new. I'm not seeing any scuffs. Still has that fresh smell to it. Then looking at the tailgate here, there's a very small ding right there. Really small scuff here. And we do have a couple scratches there and a few chips. The rest of this looks good so far. We do have a little scratch there. It did get through the paint a little bit. Everything else looks good. Here on the plastic, you do have a couple scratches. Got the really nice bed cover here. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got the Alcantara here, nice and smooth. Power folding mirrors, memory seating. This door panel looks awesome. The kick plate area looks good. Got the Alcantara inserts here, nice and clean. I don't see really any wear on these seats. They look really good. Just over 14,000 miles. This interior is definitely clean. I don't see any flaws that really stand out. Got the massive screen with the navigation, 4-wheel drive. Got the flip up bench here that will act as another seat, so you can fit 3 here in the front and 3 in the back. Looking at the back left door panel, looks perfect. Kick plate area is nice and clean. Carpets look new. And same with these seats. I don't see any flaws. So you got the storage under here and then the folding flat tray. And then I see the port right here, a couple on the top side. Looking at the front right door panel, looks perfect. I don't see any scuffs or scratches. All of this is nice and clean. You still have the factory plastic here under this floor mat. Got a couple little spots inside the little holes. So I don't think that's actually a stain or anything, just a little bit of dirt. That bolster looks perfect. Same with this one. I don't see any other flaws on this side. And then here on the back right door panel, got a small scuff right there. This looks good. I don't see any other flaws on the seats. Then looking in the engine bay, all of that looks good.